Here we have the Tamiya tr15, Tamiya's first nitro stadium truck. This is a follow-on video from, I've done a full restoration video on this particular chassis. Added in quite a few hop-ups, and it is an absolutely stunning looking stadium truck. Tyres off of the Street Rover, and somebody's mentioned in one of the comments that these aren't the correct wheels. They're the correct style of wheel, but they should be more of a matte silver than the chrome plated. Chrome plated ones apparently come on the Street Rover, and the more sort of gunmetal-y colour come on the tr15 and the Dynastorm. Next thing, take this out in the garden, see if I can get that nitro engine started. In the prior video I've stripped that engine down completely, cleaned it, exhaust, new fuel tubing, new air filter, new glow plug, semi-new fuel tank. The fuel tank that come with it, absolutely immaculate, don't think that was used. So let's get it out in the garden and see if I can get it started. Right, Tamiya tr15, will it start after 20 odd years? Normally helps when you're starting a nitro car is to have a fully charged glow plug. So let's try that. Oh. Oh well, there we go. That was pretty easy. Full charged glow pen. Let's see if it can run around the garden. So there we go. 20 years old. Started up with a fully charged glow pen. I popped the body on. Give it a run around the garden and let you see what it looks like running. Right, here we have the tr15. Got it started after 20 years, which was amazing. Obviously the previous owner must have looked after this engine very well. Cleaned it out. I've done a full restoration video on this truck, but it's typical, the same as it always is in England. It's bloody raining the minute you want to get your cars out. It doesn't rain all the time you restore them, just when you want to run them. Unbloody believable. So all the cars I promised I'm going to take out, the tr15 and some of the other stadium trucks, will get taken out as soon as we have some sun. So hope you've enjoyed this video. Hope to see you in the next one. And I hope one day in England maybe we'll have some sun. Thanks for watching. See you later. Bye.